Alright, so volunteering. It's an essential part of your pre-med journey and one of the best ways to not only strengthen your medical school application, but also gain valuable hands-on experience. But with so many options, it can be hard to know where to focus your efforts. Today, we're going to dive into the best volunteer experiences for pre-meds, and we'll explore how each one can help you develop the skills and experiences needed for medical school. First on the list is the classic hospital volunteering, whether you're helping at the front desk, guiding patients to their rooms, or even assisting nurses in the emergency room. Hospital volunteering gives you direct exposure to a clinical environment. You'll see how healthcare teams operate, understand patient interaction, and witness medical care up close. It's a great way to develop communication skills and build your comfort in clinical settings, which is critical for medical school interviews and your future as a doctor. Next up, volunteering with underserved communities. Whether you're at a free clinic, food bank, or shelter, this type of volunteering gives you a unique perspective on healthcare disparities. You'll learn how socioeconomic factors influence health outcomes and understand the importance of accessibility in medicine. Volunteering in these settings also helps you develop empathy and a deeper commitment to service, which is something medical schools really value. Volunteering abroad can offer valuable exposure to global health challenges. By participating in medical mission trips or public health projects, you gain hands-on experience in areas where resources are limited. This can open your eyes to how healthcare systems function in different parts of the world. Keep in mind, though, that these experiences require responsible planning and should focus on ethical volunteering. Make sure the programs you choose have sustainable impacts and allow you to work alongside professionals, not in place of them. Long-term care or hospice volunteering provides a different kind of clinical exposure. In these settings, you'll build relationships with patients over time and gain a deep understanding of end-of-life care. This experience helps you develop strong emotional resilience, which is essential for dealing with difficult patient cases in your future medical career. You'll learn to navigate delicate conversations and provide compassionate care. While not technically volunteering, shadowing physicians is often considered an essential pre-med experience. By observing doctors in action, you get to see firsthand what it's like to diagnose and treat patients. Shadowing can also give you a sense of whether a particular specialty is the right fit for you. Plus, it's a great opportunity to build connections with mentors who might be able to help you with research or recommendation letters down the line. Volunteering in schools and tutoring is another excellent option, especially if you have a passion for teaching. Helping younger students with their studies not only strengthens your communication and leadership skills, but also allows you to inspire future generations. Medical schools love to see applicants who are passionate about education and mentoring, as it shows you have the ability to break down complex ideas, an essential skill for future physicians when communicating with patients. If you're interested in the scientific side of medicine, consider volunteering for a research project. While research may not seem like traditional volunteering, many labs and clinical research teams are looking for students to assist with patient recruitment, data analysis, or conducting experiments. Volunteering in research helps you develop your analytical skills, and it's also a great way to contribute to the scientific community while learning about medical advancements firsthand. Health education and outreach programs allow you to interact directly with the community, offering valuable services like free health screening, vaccinations, or educational workshops. You'll learn how to communicate health information in a way that's easy for the general public to understand. These types of experiences are highly regarded by medical schools because they show that you're committed to improving public health and educating the community. Lastly, if you're an animal lover, volunteering at animal shelters or participating in therapy animal programs can also be a great experience. While this may not seem directly related to medicine, it can teach you a lot about compassion, patience, and responsibility. Therapy animal programs, in particular, offer a unique form of emotional support for patients in hospitals, nursing homes, and other care facilities. So to sum it up, hospital volunteering, underserved communities, long-term care, and global health are some of the top options. Don't forget about tutoring, research, and even unique opportunities like therapy animal programs. Volunteering is more than just building your resume. It's about finding your passion in medicine and learning how to care for people. At King of the Curve, we're here to help you on your pre-med journey. Hit the subscribe button and check out our app and web app for more tips and resources on getting into medical school. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your volunteer adventures.